Just been clearing out a drawer. I was looking for Velcro. Didn't find the Velcro, but I found all this other stuff. Packs of stickers. Stickers are kind of all for journals. Those are the new ones from last year, gifted to me. And then these are really old. They're just star stickers. And then these are numbers. And I already started drawing on them to give them a different colour. I must have done that ages ago. I can't remember with what. Perhaps alcohol markers and a Posca paint pen, though I didn't have them back then, so maybe it was Tripex or something. And again here, I have done them. So they're stars, and then I've got different kind of, what do you call it, sugar paper I think it's called. Quite thin, but it's a nice colour. Now, on camera it's coming out magenta, but I actually see it as a red, kind of a lighter colour. And then I've got black sugar paper, and again some more of that. And then there is some card underneath here in orange and yellow. It's actually drawing paper, so there's a whole stack in different colours. And then ages ago, many years ago, I'd say like a good maybe 7-8 years ago, I was gifted some of these decoupage sheets, and this is of a gardener, and it's in different layers so that when it's all put together it looks 3D. And I actually like doing these myself from scratch. I've done a basic ones. Oh, this is a shopper, so you can see how it starts. You've got the gardener and then a shopper, so 2 in 1 sheet. You start with that and layer it all up so that it will stand out. The bags you'll be able to touch, it will all be like a pyramid effect. Okay, so what I've done now is gotten a giant Ziploc bag, the biggest model that they have made, which I think is roughly maybe A4 size. And I'm now putting the things that I want to use the most, so the drawing paper, the stickers and the decoupage sheets, into this Ziploc bag. And I'm going to keep it as close by to me when I'm journaling, so that things get used, because when I'm making greeting cards I like to use my own artwork. So these are going to go in my journal, possibly. I'll see with the decoupage, the pages might not close properly, so I'll work something out. And then I've got some of these pattern papers. Again, they're really old, but I'm thinking, now that I do journaling, I've got a whole heap of new stuff that's old, so it's old becoming new for my journal. So I just thought I would share my tidying up process with you. I hope you've enjoyed it.